Have you ever looked up at a clear night sky and wondered where all the stars and planets came from? Well, we will be learning it in this video, so watch till the end to find out. Now the question is, how did this vast expanse come into being? The universe is everything. From the tiniest particles, to the diverse display of planets, and largest galaxies, to the very existence of space, time, and life. But how did it all begin? The origin of the universe is the origin of everything. Multiple scientific theories around the world have tried to explain its mysterious happening. However, the most widely accepted explanation is the Big Bang theory. Let's go on a time travel adventure together, shall we? So buckle up and let's go. The Big Bang theory was first suggested by a cosmologist, which is someone who studies the universe. That person was a priest named Georges Lemaitre, who was a Belgian astronomer and cosmologist and formulated the modern Big Bang theory. He thought that a very, very long time ago, the universe started as a single point, then expanded and stretched to get as huge as it is now. He even suggested that the universe continues to grow even today. Fascinating, isn't it? The Big Bang theory represents the idea that the universe resulted from an explosion, as hard as it is to imagine. Scientists believe that the entire universe could fit inside a bubble thousands of times smaller than a pinhead. It started as small as an atom and formed into galaxies. It is from this explosion, this monumental bang, that the entirety of matter, energy, space, and time emerged. In the beginning, the universe was made up of hot tiny particles mixed with light and energy. As everything stretched and grew, things started cooling down. The tiny particles grouped together and formed atoms. Then, over the time of millions and billions of years, these groupings of atoms came together to form stars and galaxies. As these new stars were being born and dying off, other things like asteroids, comets, planets, and black holes began to form together through the force of gravity, which is why newly formed planets began to rotate around their stars, just like the planets in our solar system that rotate around our sun. So, what about our solar system? Well, it was formed the same way, about 4 or 5 billion years ago. The Earth's sun, which is also a star, is about halfway through its current stable phase. The sun will go through different phases and eventually die out, but not for another 5 billion years or so. Here's an interesting fact. The sun is just one star of more than about 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy is just one of the billions of galaxies. It's so hard to imagine. Today, scientists are constantly studying and observing space, seeking out the farthest and oldest galaxies to understand the beginnings of the universe. One important tool in this quest is the use of the Hubble Space Telescope. Named after Edwin Hubble, who was the first to notice that the universe was still expanding, just like Georges Lemaitre predicted. Even though we have learned a lot about how the universe works, there are still many unanswered questions out in the great unknown that astronomers and other scientists are still trying to answer. A force called dark energy is the name given to the mysterious force that's causing the rate of expansion of our universe to accelerate over time, rather than to slow down. However, dark energy remains a mystery, because it cannot be detected or measured by the scientific tools we have today. Sounds like a great opportunity to create something new. Did you know the single super-concentrated point of the bubble, which later became the universe before the Big Bang, was called the primeval atom or the cosmic egg also? In one of the possible scenarios for the ultimate fate of the universe known, is that the universe will eventually stop expanding and start collapsing in on itself. However, another Big Bang might happen. So, are you guys ready for the trivia time? Let's go. Someone who studies the universe is known as... You guessed it right, cosmologist. The Big Bang theory was formulated by George Lemaitre. The Hubble Space Telescope was named after Edwin Hubble. Well done, explorers. I hope you liked the video. See you soon with another interesting topic. Till then, keep exploring and keep dreaming big.